To download your ETrade tax documents, begin by logging into your ETrade account. Use your username and password to access your account dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for the section labeled Accounts or Tax Center, which is usually found in the main navigation menu. This area contains all the resources you need for your tax documents. After navigating to the appropriate section, you will see options for your tax documents, including Form 1099 and other relevant tax forms. Select the tax year for which you need the documents. Generally, you will have access to information from the previous year, so ensure you choose the correct time frame to view your documents. Once you have selected the desired tax year, you will see a list of available documents. Click on the document you wish to download, and it will open in a new window or download directly to your device. If your browser settings prompt you to confirm the download, provide the necessary permissions to save the file. Finally, check the Downloads folder on your device to locate the document. Open the file to ensure it is correct, and save a backup copy in a secure location for your records. If you encounter any issues during this process, ETrade offers customer support resources to assist you further.